tusen piantabuais. Maar het me om mijn stanken en daar in takkel fridge malai.
The shrimp fly, first tied in the 1930s, there are now almost as many variations as there are fly tyers. During Victorian times, people thought salmon eat butterflies, hence the big and colorful flies. In the 30s of the last century, things became smaller, and some flies actually began to look like shrimps. Out at sea, these little fellas are the salmon's favorite food. So why shouldn't a fly, resembling a shrimp, catch salmon in the rivers? Pat Curry from Coleraine developed his famous red shrimp in the 1930s. All Irish patterns somehow evolved from his fly. Even Raimondo Riccardo Robinsone uses shrimp flies these days. But better have a look for yourself.
You're standing all over me stuff.
Where's your stuff? Where am I? I'm not standing at all on anybody's stuff. Yeah. And here you have the shrimp fluey.
And I dare say you're grinding me bibio into the ground.
Where? Where is it? Oh, that's it. That's the salmon bibio. Very good. And you think you catch a big salmon on that?
No doubt that.
Okay, so I hope you perform this time for us.
Therefore you put... Come on. It's a big fish as well. Back here. Oh! You want my net? Huh? This one's easier to lose it. Up again. Yoo-hoo! Nice one, isn't it?
Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Look at this one.
Not bad at all. 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 Not bad at all.
I think next Christmas I'm going to give a new net to Ray Robinson as a present. One with a longer handle. Now, the shrimp fly is not really an easy pattern to tie, but it's definitely worth having in your fly box. Hook sizes range from 6 to 12. This one here is a class 8 single iron. As always, the layer of thread goes down. I tie in some oval silver and form a tag with it. 3 or 4 times this goes around. That's okay. And I can forget it for the time being. The shrimp fly has no tail, so we go straight over to the body, and I use the Christmas tree decoration again. Silver tinsel, and I take one of those strands out. That one goes in, and I form half a body with it. So I bring this tying thread to sort of the center of the hook shank, something like that, and follow with this silver tinsel here, like that. Now I rip this 2 or 3 turns is all you need. But don't cut anything off yet, because we are not finished with the body. Lots of people tie in a center hackle here. I don't like that too much because I think it becomes too heavy and the shaving brush syndrome is there again. So I just tear a red flank feather from a golden pheasant cape. This one looks like it is all I want. And a few of these nice red fibers are tied in to form V-lings. One goes on top with a pinching loop. There we have it. And another one comes down under. And it is just a pinching loop upside down I'm using now. That's no problem either. That's okay. Now, crinkle flash, pearl colored crinkle flash goes on top, 3 strands. Just tie them in like that. And cut it to about fiber length. That's it. The second half of the body is made up from black floss. That goes in. Easy enough. And I finish this body off now. That's okay. Take the ribbing material up again and bring it around 2 or 3 times. Tie down. A good few fly tyers use jungle cock here as a wing. I don't use it at all because I have another friend, one with a budgie as well. And the budgie yields a greeny yellowish feather, which I think is perfect for the job, because you don't want anything else but a tiny wee bit of green or yellow shining through. I just tie it in with a pinching loop. That's it. That's all you want. The hackles of the shrimp fly, there are 2 hackles. One is made from a grizzly colored hen cape, like this one, is just great. And the other one is red. I've dyed this red. It was a white hen cape. I'll take this one. And I'll trim them. Bring them right on top of each other. Hackle stem on hackle stem. And I tie them in together. One turn is all they get. I can catch that and secure it. There we are. Bring it into shape and finish it with this thing we've seen so many times. But it's always again fascinating how this thing works and produces a knot. My special mixture is used again to varnish this. And there we have a shrimp fly. Just clean the eye hole. And there we have it.
Frisje door de gasje en ik zit op met je babbel is je through. Als je aring.